So, you've seen the ads for Relatio, big promises about fixing your relationship, rebuilding habits, reconnecting with your ex. But does it actually work? I've spent some time with it. Let me give you the full and honest breakdown. Relatio is a self-improvement app, but here's the thing. It's not a regular habit tracker. It focuses on relationships and emotional health. You answer a short quiz when you sign up. Then the app creates a daily plan just for you. The plan includes short lessons, audio clips, breathing exercises, and journaling prompts. Each session is around 5 to 10 minutes, so it's very easy to fit into your day. First, the content is solid. The lessons cover communication, stress, emotional patterns, and intimacy, real topics that most people don't talk about enough. Second, the daily routine format actually helps you build habits. You open the app, do your session, and check it off. The consistency is the whole point. Third, the mood tracker and journaling tool are genuinely useful. Writing things down helps you notice patterns in how you feel and act over time. Customer support is also quick. Lots of users say the team replies fast, even on weekends. That's rare and worth mentioning. Here's where I have to be honest. The personalized plan is mostly AI driven. After the first 5 days, the human expert videos stop. Some users feel it gets repetitive and unfocused after that point. Also, the pricing is not cheap. You're looking at recurring charges every 4, 12, or 24 weeks. A few users got surprised by automatic renewals, so read the fine print before you sign up. Relatio is a solid starting point if you want to work on your emotional habits and relationships. It won't fix everything overnight, but if you show up every day and just do the work, you will notice a real shift. Just go in with realistic expectations and keep an eye on those renewal dates. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.